BITKUB everyone, good morning from Hua Hin, Thailand. Today we continue our road trip. We take the Khao, which I just washed and it's ready to go, and we'll drive down to Prachuap Khiri Khan, a very nice area, not so popular with foreigners, but it's beautiful. I've been there maybe like 4 or 5 times and every time I loved it. So let's go.
95 300 baht. Open tab. Oh, my tire.
Okay guys, I got a wonderful news. I'm in the middle of nowhere and I got a flat tire. That's gonna be interesting. Let's see if I can find someone that can help me. So actually this lady now, she's going to the mechanic for me to ask the mechanic to come. So nice.
Big bike don't have.
Ah.
Yes, don't have.
The big bike only can fix with the.
I don't have. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So that lady, she just took the scooter and went to buy me some water and Coke without even asking, and she just gave it to me. Thai people are so nice. That's what I love about them. They're just so kind.
BITKUB.
I love Thai people, man. So friendly and so helpful. Grateful to be here. These little inconveniences are actually a test of showing how nice these people are. Just in their heart and their culture. It's just very nice, very helpful, very kind. Here we are at the mechanic shop. He said that he fixed it, but not for long, because the scratch is not like a hole, but it's like sideways. So I have to replace the tire actually. The problem is that I'm in the middle of nowhere and there is no tire shop here. So he's calling someone 35 kilometers away, and hopefully we'll be able to change it today or maybe tomorrow.
So yeah, he actually explained me that if the hole was like this, just like a screw inside the tire, would it be easy and we can fix it with this one. But because my hole is like sideways and bigger, like this one, it will keep losing air, so I need to actually replace the entire tire, which is pretty expensive, you know. It's a Diablo Rosso 2 from Pirelli, and yeah, it's not cheap. But yeah, so today or tomorrow we have to change. I cannot keep traveling just like this. I have to change it as soon as possible.
Shop of course doesn't have the Pirelli, and I have to replace it as soon as possible. So they order it from Bangkok and they're arriving tomorrow here. I'm in Sam Roi beach. I'm still 100 kilometers far away from Prachuap Khiri Khan, and I just decided to stop here and sleep here for tonight, and tomorrow just change both the tires and then continue to Prachuap Khiri Khan. Actually, I came here already 2 times. It's a beautiful area here. It's very relaxed, very quiet. I actually stayed 4 years ago exactly in this resort, which is called Dolphin Bay. So I'm gonna stay here tonight, and I'll show you around. It's really beautiful. Oh, so many memories here from 4 years ago. Pay 1,300 baht, include breakfast. And it's a really nice resort, like beachfront. All right, we just check in, room number 37, 1,300 baht, include breakfast. It's a really good deal, considering that it's a resort beachfront. The beach is right there. I will show it to you. And breakfast included, and has a nice swimming pool too. So I'll show you everything. Man, this is what I love about this resort, that is right in front of the beach. You just have the swimming pool, you cross the road, and here you are in this beautiful beach. So peaceful. I love this place so much, and I'm happy to be back. And I'm happy that I got like a flat tire so I can sleep here tonight. So many memories from 4 years ago. Such a peaceful village. Let me show it to you. Look at this. Wow. So this beautiful area is called Sam Roi Beach. Not many people know about it. It's pretty unique, mainly like Thai people and just very few foreigners. Most of the foreigners, they know Chaam, they know Hua Hin, they know Prachuap Khiri Khan, but this area is pretty unique. And this one right here is a national park. It's called Khao Sam Roi, same name as this beach. And I was planning to stop by and show you. Let's see if I can get the tire fixed tomorrow, and we'll definitely go there. But this is such a gem here in Thailand. So quick update on the motorbike. I ordered 2 Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2. They are coming from Bangkok. They will arrive tomorrow afternoon. So I will pay about 9,000 baht to change both tires. They were not so old, but as I said, I need to change it because the hole is kind of twisted. So tomorrow I will change it, and then we'll continue to Prachuap Khiri Khan. But for now, let's enjoy this paradise. So my Pirelli should arrive in the afternoon from Bangkok. I decided to stay here one more night just to take it easy and do everything on time. So I thought today let's just explore Sam Roi Beach, Sam Roi National Park, and I heard there are some nice caves around. I heard there is this Praia Nakhon cave which looks really good, so let's try.
So the tire, yeah, is still strong, but still I have to replace it today.
Okay, so I was trying to go to the cave. I was thinking that the tire was okay, and then on the way this happened again. So they're coming to pick me up. This place is a tire shop, but actually they cannot really help me because I have to just replace it. There is nothing to do, no way around it. So let's see. It's an adventure here. And this dog is so cute. This family is so friendly.
Hey, Dogito.
Actually, a few minutes ago I witnessed a very bad accident. I recorded it by accident and I'll show it to you. If you're sensitive, just skip this part and don't look at it because it's not so nice.
First Sinovac, second Sinovac.
Astra.
Astra.
I have
T-dot Astra or Pfizer. I am Astra.
Yeah.
I have a fever.
Yeah, same me. I do number 1 Sinovac, number 2 Astra. Astra, I got sick, fever, one day, only one day. Yeah, but very bad. Alright, the Kava has arrived with the new tires. Let's go check it out. Okay, the Kava has arrived here to the resort. They changed both tires and they deliver it to me because the Kawasaki shop is 40 kilometers away from here and I couldn't go there, so let's have a look. Woohoo! Here it is. BITKUB. BITKUB. Ready? Yeah. Ooh. New one. New Diablo Rosso. Oh, I like it. It's an Italian flag. You drive it? Or you drive it?
Oh, everywhere. We cannot bring.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on the front.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, I finally made it to Prachuap Khiri Khan after 2 crazy days. I got into this nice little cheap room. It's just $14. It's very basic, but let me show you the view. It's incredible. I mean, look at this. It's like full sea view right in front of Prachuap Khiri Khan. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this crazy vlog. I definitely feel way lighter after spending $400 for 2 Pirelli tires and the transfer and the pickup, etc. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, comment below, and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you tomorrow for the Prachuap Khiri Khan vlog. Stay tuned for that. Bye bye.